Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Tommy Lee Sparta with a video with a track called Energy. So this is actually his second music video since he got released from Lock Up. So we're gonna jump in the one and here with the GSA. Big up the Gozo. Big up Tommy Lee. Let's go, my G.
Gozo music. Yo. Up and about, still take no check from the sup pussy mouth.
Haha, we're up and about, we're outside. Still not take no check from no pussy mouth. Yeah, right, that's how we're there. We're up and about, dog. We're outside and we're not take no check from no pussy. No test.
Yo.
Can't lock we out. We're there.
Yo.
I'm back class.
Still take no chat from the sup pussy mouth. Take but the block, give it back to me now. Marapan wire just slap where you clown.
Yeah. We are take back the block. Remember, so we leave it and go on a little vacay, on a little holiday behind the bars. But we're back now. We're back for the block. Our block. What you say? Thank you. Thank you.
Still take no chat from the sup pussy mouth. Take but the block, give it back to me now.
Yeah.
Marapan wire just slap where you clown. Where's the energy? Talk to me now. Talk to me now. Talk to me. Oh, talk to me good. What you talking about? Better make sense of your gun in a cloud.
Yo, keep the same energy like when you have one time there and lock up. Keep the same energy, bro. The same energy. Wait, that make your Twitter finger talk about that and a type. Keep that same energy there, brother. With the back on the road now. What you say now?
Slap where you clown.
Slap where?
Energy. Talk to me now.
Yeah.
Talk to me now. Talk to me. Oh.
Yeah.
Talk to me good. What you talking about? Better make sense of your gun in a cloud. Jesus Christ. Go sit down. Anywhere we running ground. Sparta. Worry not. No, we no sorry about.
This is the old Tommy Lee. This is the old Tommy Lee. Where the flow them just keep switching up, keep switching up. Jesus Christ, go sit down. Like brother, like all I see it. Sparta, yo. That's all.
Gone in a cloud. Jesus Christ, go sit down. Anywhere we running ground. Sparta, worry not.
Yeah.
No, we no sorry about. Jesus Christ, go sit down. Energy we building up. Evil. You know the story goes. You must too rich for your look back. Champagne, papa pour down pa my wrist. Watch on the girl in my TikTok pa my chick clap my.
Yo, just listen to the intro because I class that as an intro, 45 seconds even before the rhythm even drop. And I'm beating the man talking right, I ready dog.
You know the story goes. You must too rich for your look back. Champagne, papa pour down pa my wrist. Watch on the girl in my TikTok pa my chick clap. My friend them na chick chat with the shit cash.
Man, so the girl in my TikTok pa in chick glock. So obviously him having him chick glock tucking in him clothes. And you know, so when him there party and enjoy himself, him chip like a rub up and the girl them see him because them love it. Yeah, right there.
Watch the girl in my TikTok pa my chick clap. My friend them na chick chat with the shit cash. Where's the energy? Talk to me now. Talk to me now. Talk to me how. Go feed them fast, put the bass in a sport. Black belly ram up like bam belly goat.
Black belly ram up like bang belly goat. You know, see, you know, more time you see some little goat kid with them belly bang up and thing. You understand me? I say like, yeah. I saw the chip black belly bang. Beer binds. Beer binds. The dance move, yeah. You know, it's a Tommy Lee dance move. They under vibes. Obviously, that song was running the road just before he got arrested. Back out with the same dance. Bad dance.
Go feed them fast, put the bass in a sport. Black belly ram up like bam belly goat. Boom, boom, the vibes are home. Cup of weed and crush. Love with the road. Stack out two sides. Feast me junk. Who's a bunch? What you talking about?
Who's a bunch?
Outside, yeah, we outside. Put back in the moonlight. Outside, yeah, we outside. Schoon time.
This bad. This bad. Me like this.
Henny in a cup with the mouth. 500 strong when I'm out. Fuck with the crew when you out.
The man say, yo, any in a cup when me out. 500 strong when me out. That means the entourage big. Son, what are you? I am Tommy Lee. Police stop me. Where do you living? I am Tommy Lee, a professional entourage member. That is what I am. What? 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 Professional.
500 strong when I'm out. Fuck with the crew when you out. Philippine girl in the boat. Nafita, Wally Dong.
Chris Gale.
Ronnie go. GS, where do you go? We da bun, no opium.
Weed a bun, no opium. No pharma enhanced drugs. Weed is the natural thing. And that we are promote. And that we are bun.
Nafita, Wally Dong. Battery, Ronnie go. GS, where do you go? We da bun, no opium. Third eye, hoping no. Catch it like get past one.
30, I woke up. So you're right now. I'm telling you, say, yo, listen, right now, I'm praying bigger and better things. I'm praying different things. Cause right now, my third, I woke up, and that's something there.
Where do you go? Where do you go? We da bun, no opium. Third eye, hoping no. Catch it like get past one. No fire for head up bus like gas past one. No man too rich for your look back. Take a chain for my neck. I'm a Rolex watch.
Man, so I'm too rich for your look back, brother. I'm too rich for your look back. I must forward me. I go before. Me don't tell you what I mean by the third eye thing. Like him up on a different frequency, you know. Like him a pre more than what he was before. So right now, me too rich for looking back. I'm going forward. Me not look back.
No man too rich for your look back. Take a chain for my neck. I'm a Rolex watch. Me no follow back a dog. Keep a distance. Them girl I go uptown pon the pistol. Crazy, and I see me like a fist pan. Tell some boys if you want a distant. Follow me, every boy, girl, I reminisce pan. Have a million.
Me, every boy, girl, I reminisce pan.
Tell some boys if you want a distant. Follow me, every boy, girl, I reminisce pan. Have a million problems, somebody ain't one. Turn up, leave a dog, energy, I build any.
What I'm saying? A million problem. What is that one?
Tell some boys if you want a distant. Follow me, every boy, girl, I reminisce pan. Have a million problems, somebody ain't one. Turn up, leave a dog, energy, I build. Anyway, me turn is a girl, they under my skin. And I wind up for the money, for the dollar bill. And the Philippine girl, I send the money where you bring. You know what you're down with. When we touch upon the dream, we fuck up a party. Flip it up on the beast, what a pretty cat. Dark shades from my face and no cinematic.
Floor God.
Flip it up on the beast, what a pretty cat. Dark shades from my face and no cinematic. When the bartender, talk to me now. Talk to me now, talk to me how. Gun for my belly and the angle of short. With the duffel bag full of bricks in a row. Every rate top of some boy chop it short. Don't level up, you talk to me low.
Don't level up, talk to me low. So basically, right there, so he must say, oh, listen, when you talk to me, brother, approach with caution, talk to me low. Lower your voice and talk to me. Come in and I will with you, brother. Remember, say we are not the same. I'm on a higher level. Yo, dance all nice. Tommy Lee is back in the building. Yo, Tommy Lee, well forward back with G. Well forward with G. Yo, Tommy Lee. The whole world, I watch every move we I do right now. So make sure you do all of the right move, brother. Capitalize Panda new farm where you found out in, bro, and just give you some good music like you always been doing. You see me? Big up the goes of them. You see me? Yo, it's nice to see the work rate is back up. Like I said, this is two project, 2 video him do in space at the time where him forward out. So big up Tommy Lee. The beat is on point as well. Shane Creative create that one. So big up yourself, Tommy Lee. Anyway, dog. So I'm gonna leave that one. If you enjoyed that one and want to see more from G, leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, because a lot of people watch and don't subscribe, which me understand, but you can just subscribe. Remember, say it's free. It not costing a monthly subscription. It's free if you just support your G. You understand? Because we put out content. So just subscribe and I will see you in the next one. Alright?